Okay, so I know it's a little dark. That's the paint that I got. It's a Valspar exterior satin paint. It's latex paint. See, I didn't use very much. I guess probably a pint or something, a couple pints or a quart will do fine. Didn't paint anything on the inside. This is the exterior. Okay, so basically I'm gonna try to do this. Yeah. Yes. What's that, baby? Yeah, where they got in there and got them at night, wasn't it?
No, it was a day and they got stung up.
Yeah. So that's it right there.
That's without the stuff.
Yeah. That's without all the, I don't know what they're called. Yeah, we're just getting started in that. And this goes on.
Other way.
This is this size up. So, alright, we'll see how it does. Like I said, I'll post other videos. Like and subscribe, okay, guys? And make sure to comment and let me know if you want to see more about bees. I know I do fire alarms, but I try to post other things that are in my life too. My daughter wanted to do this, so we're gonna set it up and see how it goes. All right, that's that.